Assalamu alaikum. Today's recipe: Special Kheer. Let's start the recipe. 5 liters milk. First, we will boil it. Add 3 to 4 green cardamom seeds. Then, cook on low flame until the milk reduces to half. Stir occasionally so that the milk doesn't stick to the pot. "250 grams of rice, washed and soaked overnight. The milk has reduced to half. Now add the rice. Cooks on low flame and stir occasionally. Otherwise, the rice will stick to the bottom and spoil the kheer. Sugar 2 cups. Add in a kheer. Stir. Cook on low flame till milk thickens and rice disintegrates. Now kheer is ready. Alhamdulillah. Garnish with pistachio. Serve chilled.